Hi guys! You guys requested a giveaway for a dollhouse kit, so here it is. The kit I selected for this giveaway is the Simon's Coffee Shop dollhouse from Robotime. I'm currently working on this kit and it's so much fun. There are so many different kits available on rowlifeonline.com. I would definitely build Kathy's Flower House, Sam's Study, and Kevin's Studio in the near future. They even offer these surprise blind box figurines. All you need to do to enter is subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment below on how you found this channel. I'll take all the eligible comments and run them through a random generator tool to select a winner. The contest starts now until 11:59 p.m. Eastern on July 31st. I'll announce the winner in my coffee shop tutorial, which will be published on August 1st. Good luck, and I can't wait to read all your comments. I'll see you next time. Bye!